do not know. I'm here with the beautiful Chiamaka, and we're going to the new Apples and Oranges spa. I was here before for a wax, and now I'm here for a facial. Good afternoon. Hi, I'm here for facial. Deola. Yes. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, this place smells so good.
Thank you.
I love coming here. Like. All right. Which room are we going into? This room. Ooh. Facial. I'm now at La Taverna. Here's the thing about facials. Your face doesn't look automatically smooth or doesn't feel automatically smooth the day you get your facial. What happens is the next day, after your skin has had time to heal and all your pores close up, your skin ends up looking so good. So first day it looks good, but the next day you always look better. Coco is giggling about something. What is it? Shopping with baby. This is so terrible, but this is what Coco is laughing at. The baby's legs are just like at the bottom, just kicking out. So we're at Taco Tuesday right now. That's happening at La Taverna. I'm drinking a nice beer. We're basically just chilling and waiting for more people to come. We came early because I was in the area. Coco was also in the area, so we might as well just come and chill and wait for people to get here before we, before it starts. Chilling, drinking Budweiser. If anybody from Budweiser is watching, please, you can sponsor me, please. I know beer companies in Nigeria don't like to advertise with women, but make an exception for me. I actually drink beer. So this is a side salad. I love their side salads. It's like lettuce, like some spicy sauce and tomatoes and onions. This is exactly how I love my salads. I love my salads so simple. I can eat like a whole bowl of this. And then we get a quesadilla. Ooh, look at that cheese pull. Coco, do that again.
If possible, let me get that. If not,
You're so unenthusiastic.
Good morning, everybody. How are we all doing? It is Wednesday morning and I'm about to do my morning yoga workout. I am actually very proud of myself because over the past couple of days, I have been able to build a little bit of upper body strength. I can do push-ups now. And I know that's not a big deal for some people, but it's a big deal for me because I could never do push-ups. But now I can do push-ups. In fact, yesterday night, I almost did 10 push-ups, but I ended up stopping at 8 because I fell apart. I'm just happy that my workout is reflecting in my body. And I'm happy that I'm not only flexible, but I'm getting strong. That is my main motive of doing yoga. I want to be strong. I want to be flexible, but I also want to be strong. So I'm about to start my morning workouts, yoga routine. I'm not sure which kind of routine I want to do this morning. I'm thinking of just going for an all-over body workout or going for a hip opening workout. I am practicing to do the splits, so I am doing stretches and workouts to help open my hips and to be able to do a full split. I was training to do a full split early this year, very early this year, but again I just stopped doing yoga for no good reason. So now I'm back. I must be able to do a split before the end of the year. That is my challenge. That's my goal to myself. My workouts. I did a bunch of work. I don't know why I do this thing where I lay down on my mat, have my laptop right on the mat with me, and then I start working. Like literally after I finish watching or following a workout video, I will legit just like close it, and instead of me to stand up, change, and like get into work mode, what I instead do is I start working immediately. So I opened my laptop and I started working, and it was even a good idea for even me to start working immediately because for some weird ass reason, I'm not getting emails on my phone. So I didn't get emails from all of yesterday and this morning. And it was pretty weird because somebody actually called me yesterday and was like, yo, we sent you an email, we need your reply. And I was like, I didn't get any email. And they were like, oh, check your email. And I checked and it wasn't there. So this morning I logged onto my laptop and I hotspotted. I logged onto my email on my laptop and I had 60 fucking unread emails. I was so scared. I was like, what? But some of those emails were great emails. So I plowed through a couple of those emails, and now I want to do some chores. I want to clean up the kitchen, do some chores, and then I want to go and do my laundry because I have no clothes. Like, I have no wearable clothes anymore. Like, I am legit at the point where my dirty pile of clothes is way more than now headed to Surulere to go and drop off some clothes. I'm gonna head back home because I need to go home and lie down. Hey guys, good morning. It is Thursday morning and I'm so excited for today because the Spice TV crew are coming to my house to film me for a TV show called Digital Diaries. Basically, they're going to interview me and then they're gonna follow me around a day in my life, and I'm just like, wow, this is insane. So I got my hair all out here, all fluffed up. Got my hair out, did my makeup, wearing something cute. Even filmed the video. That video was so scattered, oh my god. But yeah, I filmed the video. My hair is out, I'm looking cute. I'm just waiting for them to get here so we can film because I have a couple of things to do after we're done filming. I look like such a snack. My beautiful hair out, tiny waist, cute jumpsuit, nice heels. Okay, God was showing off when he made me shine. Look at me. Omogi pimpy rimpy. Hey. They're here, guys. They're here. So excited. Finished filming. I'm so excited and so honored that they came, interviewed me. We even did a fashion lookbook, and then next week or in about 2 weeks they're gonna follow me around at an event. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna have a meeting with my photographer, Damilola, who actually lives next door, and then maybe have a small mini shoot because I really want to take pictures of these earrings, and then I'm gonna work on my video. I have a video that's supposed to go up today. I finished doing the first edit. Now I just have to work on the second one right now. Hi guys, it is Friday and I have had an annoying ass morning. You might be wondering, why is Deola walking? Why is she walking and why does it look like there's a river next to her? Well, I live in an estate where our drainage is shit, but that is besides the point. I was literally involved in an accident almost an hour ago. So I decided to wait until I was home before I continue what happened to me. So basically I was headed to Surulere, or I was already in Surulere, to drop off some clothes that I had pulled. And while on the way, I was driving behind a car. The car I was driving behind got into an accident right in front of me. So as that car hit the car in front of it and stopped, I was right behind the car and I had literally no time to move. So the right side of my car, I'll put a picture, I think I put a picture before, but I'm gonna put it again, scratched and hit up against the car in front of me. So I had to go drop it off to get it fixed because I need to get it fixed, and I had to walk home, which is why I was walking outside. It's so fucking hot. I decided to get myself a father because I can't come and kill myself. I used my last money, actually, my last shinking money on me to buy a father to cool my blood and my system because, yeah, it's not funny. So I'm okay. I'm glad I'm alive. It wasn't an accident that I got hurt. I'm kind of flustered, I think, which is why I'm talking kind of like around like this. Before I left the house, I had actually cleaned the house, cleaned my room. I did a bunch of stuff. I did a bunch of chores and I filmed a video. I started the beginning of a foundation review. So now that I'm back at home, after everything, excuse me, I'm gonna continue filming, film my first check-in and just, I don't know, work. I'm just gonna work because there's nothing I can really do. I'm trying not to get frustrated or annoyed about the car issue because it wasn't my fault. It wasn't a situation where the car in front of me was driving slowly and I hit it or anything. I'm glad that it's not as bad as it could have been, because everybody around me was saying that, oh my god, you're so lucky. Oh my god, you're so lucky you were able to swerve out of the way. Because again, I was literally behind this car, like right behind. I wasn't off to the side, I was right behind the car. And then once the car stopped and once I felt like I felt the impact, I just turned my car and I swerved. Like I did like that. So that was what I had to do. I'm annoyed and frustrated, but the show has to go on. I need to finish filming this video.
Yeah. After filming, I'm gonna eat my ofada and drink strawberry vodka. Hi guys, what's up? It is Saturday morning and I am tired. Yesterday went from being annoyed about the fact that I was in an accident to being at a club in VGC. Deja Vu, which is the name of the club that we went to. And we partied, we danced, we drank a bit. We had a good time. Didn't get home until like 3. Today the plan is pretty simple. Coco wants to dye her hair. Her birthday is tomorrow, so Coco wants to dye her hair. And then we are going to go and watch the Hustlers movie. The new movie with Jennifer Lopez, Constance Wu, Keke Palmer, Lizzo is in it, Cardi B. Like it's a full cast of amazing women, and I'm so excited to watch this film today because I've heard so much about it, and I actually read the article that Hustlers is actually based on. It's actually based on a true life story of strippers who were able to hustle and scam their Wall Street clients. It's a really good story. It's a really good long story, but it is entertaining, and the fact that it got made into a movie is just like making me very happy. How do you feel, Coco?
I feel hungry.